good boy. We're going to show you bomb dogs. This one is detonating cord. This is used to explode bombs. We're going to show you how the dog can find it.
Galing Russia.
Okay, these are explosives from Russia. Ang mga training aids natin. Bago ba yan? Sa'yo yan? Kaya pala malakas ang loob na dyan ilagay ni Bogs. Hindi pala kanya eh. Akala ko kanya. Tapos may motor din dito. Ayan yung motor ni Bogs. Yan yung ilang beses na kinalmot. Ayun, wasak-wasak kayo. At ito si Rico. Detection dog natin. These are one of our bomb dogs. So it's going to look for the bomb. It's going to look for the explosives. Yeah, si Rico. He's going to sit where the explosives are. Yo, good. So he's sitting down. He's not moving.
Oh.
That means he found the explosives. Yeah, see. So there's a change in behavior from the dog.
Oh.
Yon. Yeah, he sit down. That means there's a explosive there. Good boy. Good. Off leash. Sige.
Come on. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Mag-down na. Nag-overshot na siya nung una no? Kulang na yata sa training to eh. Kailan yung huling hinawakan?
Tagal na rin, Dok. Pagka nagde-demo na lang.
Tagal. Kailan kayo huling nag-demo? 3 months ago. Pero matalas pa rin, ano? Kahit pa paano. This dog is retired. So, last time he was used for a demo was 3 months ago. But he's still okay. He's still good to go.
Six. Come on. Six.
Yeah, mo lang.
Six. Contaminated na yan.
Yun! Very good.
Wala na, contaminated.
Contamination na lang.
Yeah.
Sige, reward mo na.
Come on. Good dog. Nice. Very good. Yes.
Very good, boy.
Good. Very good. Very good. Yeah.